crystal lovers, thanks for joining me today. Really appreciate it. I'm Harmony, owner of Rainbows of Light, your Swarovski authorized reseller. And today I wanted to share with you how to make a really beautiful on-trend Swarovski crystal necklace. I love this layered look, and I also made it into a bracelet as well. So it's very simple and easy to make, so come join me. We'll have some fun making it today. Alright, so to get started, we'll need our pliers and our cutters. We'll need 2 jump rings, a clasp, some chain. You'll want to pre-cut that chain to whatever length you'd like the necklace or bracelet to be. And then you'll need a Swarovski crystal head pin. Today I'm going to use the gold clear crystal. And then you'll need whatever style bead you'd like to use. I'm going to use the 5046 millimeter AB. So this is the 5048 millimeter light gray opal that I was wearing. I was able to get 5 beads on the one head pin. Here's one that I made in Pad Paracha, and I used the gold Siam head pin to match. This project's really nice because you can use all kinds of different styles of beads. I made a daintier looking one here with the 5601 4 millimeter cube beads. This is in peridot, and then I used the gold peridot head pin. This is light sapphire satin with the gold sapphire head pin. And then this is the violet AB with the silver violet head pin. Here's the necklace or the bracelet that I made as well. This is the 5046 millimeter in black diamond. And I was able to get 8 on here, and then I also made a necklace with the 5046 millimeters. So to get started, we'll just take our head pin and we'll thread one side of the chain through, and then you'll just simply start threading all of the crystal beads onto the head pin. You can either get 7 or 8 of these 5046s on here. I'll just do 7 for now. Be a little easier to make the loop. And then before you make the loop, then you take the other side of the chain and you just loop it through. Then you'll want to just close up this loop. So we'll take our needle nose pliers and just hold the one end and start making a little loop here. Be sure the chain goes through the loop so that you can close it and the chain is still in that loop there. Great. Just like that. Okay, great. Now what you'll want to do is you'll take the necklace and you'll just spread it out as long as it will go. And then you'll get this even point right here and then cut it. So we'll cut that, and then you'll take your needle nose pliers and simply take your jump ring, thread it through one of the sides of the chain, and then you'll take your clasp, thread it through this side, close up your clasp nice and tight, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side. Take your jump ring, thread it through, and then the other side of your clasp. Close it up nice and tight, and there you go. This was a magnetic clasp, so this is nice. And there's your necklace. Well, thanks so much for joining me. Really appreciate it. Hope you loved this project. Please visit us at rainbowsoflight.com for all your Swarovski crystal endeavors. And keep smiling. Keep shining out there. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.